All right, on this one here, we're going to be replacing this 15 amp duplex outlet, and we will be installing a USB outlet. Still have your two receptacles, a USB-A and a USB-C jack here. So it's pretty simple to do. We're going to get the power shut off to this outlet and we'll get started. Okay, power's off. Remove our tester. Okay, we just got two sets of wires coming in, two hots, two neutrals, and then our ground. So we're just going to go ahead and pull these out of the back. They're backstabbed, which I don't like to do that. Now on the new one, you do insert them to the back, but it's not the same. There's a plate there. You just tighten the screw down and the plate holds them in, unlike this style here. So I'm going to pull these wires out and we'll get the new one installed. Okay, we got our old outlet unhooked. I restripped all the wires so they're the right length. They have a little strip gauge here on the back of the outlet, so that way they're all the proper length to go into these terminals. So first we'll do the ground wire. Get that hooked around. Make sure you connect your wire when you wrap it around a screw. Always go clockwise. That way when you tighten the screw, it doesn't try to back itself off. Go ahead and tighten that down. Alright, this side here is our neutral, and this side over here is our hot. So we'll do the neutrals first. Now connect our hot wires. Okay, got all our wires nice and tight. Now I just want to feed the wires back into the box. Can bend them up like this. It'll help push in easier. Okay, outlet's pretty solid. Let's see what the faceplate will look like. Okay, let's go turn the power back on and we'll test it out. Okay, there you see, kicked on. Test the top. There that is. And we'll be able to plug whatever devices we want in here to our USB jacks. That's it. All right, on to the next one.